Rubik's Cube. I hope you enjoyed my video on my time-lapse solve of my Rubik's Cube. Sorry. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys want to learn how to do it, go to youcandothecube.com, which is where I learned it, and you can also get the solution guide, or if you're too lazy to do any of those, you can print out the solution guide if you don't want to waste any money. Well, it might cost money, I don't know, but I printed out the solution guide to show you guys. You can also print the pages off the website. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.